VSTM down 13.02%. This is Monday, the 20th of October, 2025, post market session. Intraday low in this session, $6.98. There's some positive news, but it seems it seems the markets or traders and investors were buying in anticipation, and the news has now come out. The positive news has now come out, and they are setting up. They've sold. Usually we find this with biotech stocks. Buy if the dates are known, they'll buy it. If yeah, that's what. It's not only biotech stocks, and indeed other stocks. I think with something like that building up on Uber as well. So they bought the rumor, they bought the anticipation, and the news has come out. They sold. So the extrapolation is saying that it's going to remain weak up till the 22nd of October. Then after that, we might see a bounce. And I think that this is appropriate. There's nothing wrong. The fundamentals sound right. Projections are currently saying 9.06 intraday high, 9.9 printed. I can see when they started to buy in anticipation. That was the peak of them. Of Thursday, that was Thursday the 16th. Yeah, so they're now selling now, and previous upper projections we have 9.38, 9.91. What do we have here? 9 point exactly that, almost exactly that. Yeah, let's see. There's also 10.13, 11.57, 12.47. This was as of the 23rd of May. Selling pressure, let's see what we have. Okay, the 10-day moving average, they're all 10 and 21. All of them move. Almost everything is bearish apart from the first derivative on its 10-day moving average. It is yeah. Let's see. Are they buying the dip? No, they are not. Yeah, they're not buying the dip. They actually yes, some buying is going on in that direction, but it has waned. It's waned. Yeah, what is more that the momentum, the pace of that buying has cooled off. But who knows whether they're going to really buy the dip? Yeah, so let's see what's going on with the stock. So we've seen all the projections. We have projections all the way towards 12.47. We can have a look at its 4-hour chart. It might also give us a range of prices that it could trade in the very short term by the going by the indicator by the market greed. Okay, so here the extrapolation is saying that it's going to be a consolidation and then a contraction and then a bounce. Projections here are saying 8.41. Earlier on, it was saying up to 10.07. Yeah, as far back as the 19th of September, I had 10.87. Not so fantastic as such. We've seen even higher prices. Let's see what the market grid is going to give us in terms of trading range. Okay, so let's see where we have the trajectory is more to the upside. So we have between 9.24 and 6.76. So it's currently at 8.02. So it's in between the resistance and the support. So yeah, it could always test 8.29. Yeah. So the stock was trending at some point. So let's hear what's going on. Let's hear the news that is behind the news that resulted in this, the positive news that resulted in this selling.
Verastem is capturing significant market attention following the release of positive data readouts for its KRAS G12D inhibitor, which has shown encouraging efficacy signals, particularly in lung cancer. The excitement stems from the potential for this program to become a leading candidate in the KRAS targeted therapy space, an area historically seen as challenging but now considered one of the hottest fields in oncology. A major catalyst fueling this trend is the data presentation for GHF375, which demonstrated notably high ORR, or objective response rate, and DCR, disease control rate, figures. These efficacy metrics have strengthened bullish sentiment, with many in the biotech and retail trading community pointing to the drug's competitive edge against other KRAS inhibitors in development. Analyst activity has also added momentum. Several upgrades and price target revisions are circulating, reflecting growing confidence in the company's clinical and commercial prospects. On trading forums, there's heightened chatter about the potential for a short squeeze, given the increased volume and interest combined with a relatively low float. Some investors are also speculating that Verastem could become a buyout target, given the strategic value of KRAS assets for larger pharmaceutical companies. Others are taking a more long term view, highlighting the broader pipeline potential beyond GFH375 and its ability to weather market volatility. In short, the combination of strong clinical data, analyst optimism, and speculative momentum has positioned Verastem at the center of biotech trading discussions, with both near term trading catalysts and longer term strategic upside on the table.
Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.